Welcome people, you don't know, so FimiSwaggTv there, right? And right now people, I'm at TheDuttyBerryShow for the top content creator for 2025. I know it's about FimiSwaggTv. I'm out.
So a tight suit here, kilometer past spot. You see my shoes, and I got to figure it out, dead.
FimiSwaggTv, you know, so that Mecca, Akim birthday party.
So FimiSwaggTv, content creators of 2025, the ones who did exceptionally well. First of all, why you think you made the list?
The reason why I met this, you don't know, the creativity, the hard work I've been putting through, and you know, just to make the youth them, bring the youth them to the forefront and all of that, you know. I FimiSwaggTv, man, enter out there in the street, man, it's all about fun. It's all about excitement, you understand, showing off the fashion. Let the people them know your creativity, you know what go already.
Boy, you tell me where you wear from head to toe. Start.
Black Air Force, you know, can't go wrong. Alive jeans, alive shirt, you know, with the red and, you know, black and, you know, everything just connect, you know.
Right. How you even start your fashion journey? How it started for you?
My fashion journey started from, I used to dance. Yeah, I used to be when I skank in the street, and that is where I get my fashion sense from. Big up Ding Dang. Yo, I pre them Monday from a taller time from when I was a dancer. You understand? But you don't know as a dancer, you have to look the part.
Yeah,
you understand? And it come with a fashion, you know. Dancing come with a fashion, you know. Big up Bogle, you understand?
So you still have the dancing lock right now?
Well, you can do a little thing, you understand? Yeah.
Now talk to me, like, how did the whole concept come about for just say, you know what, FimiSwaggTv, I'm gonna go in the streets and I'm gonna ask people about them fashion. How it come about?
You know what I say? Alright, how it come about it? One time I overheard this conversation say, you know what I say Jamaican youth them can't dress. You understand? I hear it and I say, what you really say? You understand? But I usually do some normal fit check, you know, and save it on my phone. I never used to post it. You understand? And one day I post a picture of my creativity and I get some good comments and I was like, okay then, you know, I tried. We are going on the street and see what go on. You understand? We check the sauce out.
What would you describe as your most viral video? Who was it and what was it about?
Yo, we have to big up Young Money Swagland. The youth there come with a different aspect of fashion, like the fashion mindset we have. Him come whole different. I think it was right here at AC Hotel we done that video as well. So, you know, that really lift us up and really show the people them say, yo, Jamaican people can dress.
FimiSwaggTv, you know, I'm there in the street. You understand? I'm at the AC Hotel right now. Right now, people, right now, I'm link up with one of the goat them in the street. You understand? One of the youth them way take fashion to a next level in Jamaica. You understand? I'm there so with swag.
Alright, so talk to me about your content creation journey. What was your most memorable moment?
My most memorable moment was with Shanine Muir. I'm gonna tell you a story.
Yeah.
I was at Sunfest, right? And I had a backstage pass, right? But I saw Shanine Muir and I was like, yo, need to catch her outfit. But one of my friends, I meet up with one of my friends and I have to go to the gate to go and collect him. So when I go and collect him and come back, I couldn't get to go in the backstage, right? So what happened is there was this guy named Bootleg Rockstar, right? That guy came up to me and he must say, yo, love your fashion, you know. I say, yo, it look like a father God said, you know, because I know you're a designer, I know you're very familiar with Shanine Muir. And he said, yeah man. And I said, him say, I go on. I'm saying, you know, I want an interview with her, but I can't really go backstage because them not letting me back. Because I go outside, so them not letting me back. So him say, I want to, man. Come in. And that is how I met Shanine Muir. And it really gave me a lot of confidence because for a person like Bootleg Rockstar come to me and actually know me, you understand, and know what I'm doing with fashion, you understand? And I never me hail him first, I him come hail me and say, yo, what go on, it good, you understand? So, big up bootleg rockstar, you see me?
All right, so have you ever had to review somebody and not know how to actually give them very honest feedback for say, boy, you know, say it's really a 0 out of 10?
Well, yes, a lot. But me being this fashionable person, there's a lot of time I wear fits and to the outsiders it don't look good. You understand? And it make me feel bad. You understand? So looking at the next person's outfit, I don't want to break their confidence, so I always try to lift up their confidence. You know, even though it look good, yes, it look good. You understand?
And I'm sure right now it must be very difficult for you to leave your yard because now you have to have meds out every type of outfit because you can't just step out in the yard clothes and look, you know, regular, you're known as the fashion guy, so you have to keep it.
Well, enough time, you know. Enough time, you know. I'm going to tell you one time, you know. I wear a shorts and it had a ripped on the side. And this guy told me, his name is Face by Dre. And he said, yo, bro, you're doing fashion, you know, bro. You understand? This way you're wearing a yard, don't wear it on the road. You understand? Because if I say right now, if I could be that person where, you know,
yes,
would I take a picture right now and put it up and say, this is FimiSwaggTv.
All right, now, so as a content creator, like, talk to me now, some of the highlights, you know, with the whole producing a video, setting everything up, I choose the events them, and what are some of the challenges them where you book up when you do your videos them and I capture the swag in the streets?
Yo, it's crazy. It's crazy because, all right, sometimes, I'm going to say this, the challenge them when we really buck up on the entertainer them. Yo, you have some dark youths a part with the entertainer them, you know. When if you go up there and ask the entertainer them if you can get a little, you know, video, you see if them don't know you, them say, yo, brother, come out and move from yourself. A whole part that will go through, you understand? But, you understand, it's just to me know what I want.
Now, what you want to see more from the fashion community in Jamaica, like, what is one message that I want to share to them?
All right, one message more I want to share to them is that focus on what you're doing, right? And love fashion for what it is. I want to accept fashion, accept it. It's when you accept it, you can do anything you want to be. You see me? Anything you want to do with style you want to wear, with style you want to choose to wear. You understand? But you have to accept fashion as it is.
Mm-hmm. Have you been able to like partner with any brands, any companies, any people who come on board and want to join and support FimiSwag?
Not yet, but I'm open. My hands are open. I'm ready. I'm ready right now. I'm ready. Yeah. Ready. Anyone. FimiSwaggTv, we're there.
And so now I want you to tell me like what is the plan for FimiSwaggTv in 2026?
The plans. Well, the plans is to I want to host, you understand, host some nice event. I want to go corporate. We're there. Yeah, we have the formal look too. You understand, with the streets. You understand? So those are a couple of the things. I want to bring more youths to the forefront. You understand? I want to collab with other influencers like content creators who into fashion. Because you know what fashion is all about. And me is all about. You understand? So, yeah.
Yeah, and for the people them who live under a rock and don't know where to find you, where them can find you?
You don't know, you can find me at FimiSwaggTv, TikTok, FimiSwaggTv, Instagram, FimiSwaggTv, Facebook, FimiSwaggTv. I'm going to say Facebook, yeah, for the older generation. Yeah.
FimiSwaggTv, you know, say we're there in our town. Watch you there. Right now, you see the youth there. The youth is a fashion youth. The youth is a swag youth. The man is ever clean. I'm there, so with.
You don't know, I want to keep me there. So I say,
Alright, so FimiSwag, I just have to congratulate you officially because, you know, me and my team come up with a list. And one of the important things is that I don't think you recognize like what you did for the fashion community in Jamaica, especially for the industries. Because a whole heap of times people feel like say fashion are just for like the uptown or the person that come from certain area and background, and you really bring back the part there, the culture for sure. Say are the people them up on the grassroots and them really make the Jamaican fashion and carry go international. And some have to go make sure say you get spotlight when everybody talk about all of the content creators and the influencers them that you are create content yourself and you go out there with something where fresh, where new and where the streets love. And some of us want you to encourage you. And me, I got talk to Corporate Jamaica, because Corporate Jamaica thing for fast and look what me I do. And say, yo, support the youth. Support Jerome, he might do something. So if anything and you know say with the brands them, the stores them are there, link him up.
Yeah, man.
Him literally have him ears to the streets, him know where the youth them I think.
We are
Link
streets,
him.
man.
Exactly.
Everywhere with them.
And as I say, you go see the different era when a time for him go put on him jacket and tie.
Yeah,
Him go just, yeah man.
Yeah.
So right now, I just want if you just give me a little run through how you normally host a show, cause something I gotta do it with you right now. Quick and fast. So how it normally go? Say just come here.
Alright.
FimiSwag, how it go?
Alright, I'm there, so I'm gonna say, FimiSwaggTv, you don't know me there. And,
Alright, I'm try.
Yeah, ready.
Yo, FimiSwaggTV, you don't know me there. AC Hotel.
Hold on.
Okay. Because you say the dance sign up, that's why I did that think like the ding dong, like okay. Like fling, okay, ready. FimiSwaggTV, you know, FimiSwaggTV, you don't know me there. AC. Alright, FimiSwaggTV, don't know me there. AC Hotel. I'm there with a fashion youth by the name of FimiSwaggTV.
No. You can't call the name. You have to say.
Alright, ready. She's alright, ready. FimiSwag. Alright, so Dutty Berry Day here, you know. I'm there. FimiSwaggTV. Alright, ready. Alright, so hold on, man. Alright, so Dutty Berry Day here, you know. I'm there at AC Hotel. I'm book up one fashion youth named FimiSwag.
No, you can't call the name.
Ready. Alright, Jesus Christ, man. Alright, final time. I hate this, ready. Alright, Dutty Berry Day, you know. I'm there at AC Hotel. I'm book up one fashion youth. Him named Jerome. And
No.
Yo, this alright. Hold on.
Catch it.
Alright, hold on, I'm gonna catch it. Okay, I'm gonna catch it. Hold on, me get it now. Come on. I know the video now, that's me nervous now, ready? Alright, so Dutty Berry Day now, I'm there at AC Hotel. I'm book up one fashion youth. What your name, boss?
You don't know FimiSwaggTv, right?
Yeah. So I see the drip, it'll go on. So how much should I rate the fit here?
How much I rate the fit here?
Yeah.
Come fit, regular day.
Yeah.
But I get the fit here a cool 10.
Oh yeah. 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
man.
I feel like everything what I put on right now,
Yeah.
a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, so what the
Confident.
cheapest part of the outfit right now?
Cheapest part of the outfit, the socks.
Oh, the socks.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, so when I come at the interview right now,
Yeah.
you know, so I want digital style in a half a tree, me drop and me stop and just.
Oh, you just get it. So where you get the socks out of the style? Okay.
It costs $250.
Okay, and the shirt.
Yeah. Shirt.
Yeah.
The shirt are from Sun Island.
Oh, so now
Yeah.
they make it with the cut up right
Yeah,
there.
man, I mean, alright,
Oh,
so them cutter now, them
yeah.
cutter called nasty cut.
Yeah.
Nasty cut. We design them cutter, you understand?
Okay.
Youths, get creative.
Okay, and the pants.
The pants, alright, the pants are from Face by J.
Oh, okay.
Face by J. Yeah, man, big up Alive.
Yeah.
You see me? Face by J.
Yeah. All right, so which artists in the dancehall space I think really bring the fashion? Like right now, you say, yeah, man, them are really do it.
Alright, which artist? One person I always look up to, you know. No, sorry. I look up to many artists.
Yeah,
because
yeah.
Everybody have their own style. You
Yeah.
understand? And we as fashion youth, we create them style too.
Yeah.
You understand? We take them style and we recreate it in our style.
Yeah.
You see me? But one of the person when we look up to, Ding Dong.
Oh, yeah.
Ding dong.
Okay. So who are the most fashionable TikToker?
Most fashionable TikToker? Wow.
Yeah.
Muda say Akeem.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, man.
okay. And what are the worst dressed TikToker?
Worst just TikToker, male or female?
Anyone?
The worst just male, would I say? No, I don't feel like there's a worst just male, you know.
Oh, yeah,
Me feel
a politician,
no,
okay.
No, I don't want to say
Uh-huh.
worst just, but I say no really pay attention to what them are wearing. Would I say which TikToker I can say now?
One in nine mind.
Me feel in a way, me feel like them are just unique. You know,
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to say the worst just.
Yeah. So, you know, somebody close out the video them now. So you just say, yeah, man, big up, you know, man. Yeah, man, bless up. Yeah, man, Dutty Berry, FimiSwag. Yeah. Yo, that's hard.